My name is Daniel Lopez-Ferrer. I'm the Director of Proteomics and Translational Research at Thermo Fisher Scientific in San Jose. One of the key things is that what is the effective biological change that the scientists are looking for when they are doing research in a particular biological system. So that is something that they typically don't have into account. The other thing that they need to work on is that what is their precision and accuracy of their analytical systems. Because if they have a very precise system, like for example our thermoscientific orbital mass spectrometers that provide very accurate and precise quantification, then they may not need to do a lot of replication. As a leader in proteomics, it is our role to make sure that we enable our scientists and researchers to move science forward. And experiment designer platform enables them to design very robust, reproducible, and sound experiments. The thermoscientific experiment design software really enables scientists to define their experiment from the very early on. So design it so they can know what is the statistical power that they need, the number of replicates, the precision of their analytical platform that they need to make sure that they identify those changes. The other thing that it's going to give to them or enable them is to take all the information from the metadata when they design the experiment and carry it on over the whole workflow, including the data analysis as well as the data acquisition. So for example, once we have our data into the experiment design software, the next thing is that the number of samples, the randomization or the order that those samples need to be acquired or analyzed, it's going to propagate towards the LCMS platform that we are going to use for analyzing the data, as well as later on to the data analysis platform, where we will do all the statistical analysis to see the changes that come up from the analysis. So that enables the scientists to save a lot of time, as also avoid any type of mistakes that they could make during the process of inputting all the data. The thermoscientific AccelerOme sample preparation platform enables first to succeed when you do any proteomics experiments, whether it's label free or TMT. It saves time because you don't have to do any hands-on bench work that takes for a long time. So basically it takes 5 minutes. You prepare your samples and you put it in the system. And then also with experiment design software, we ensure that from the very beginning, the researcher and the scientist design the experiment correctly. So they are not going to be surprises at the end of the day when gets the data back and sees the results.